loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KerenHappuch, and if you're new here, it's pronounced KerenHappuch, and you're welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some Senegalese twists on my hair. I washed it yesterday and that's why it's like a bit shrunk up, but yeah, so these are the hair I use. This one is longer and this one is like 48 inches long, and it has like 2 bundles in them, and then this one is 38 inches long, and it has 4 bundles in it. So 2 of the shorter ones for the back of my hair, and then 3 for the top part of my hair. Hopefully I just stick to this 5 because I want to make it a bit big, not too big though, but big. So I'm hoping I'd still have more hair just in case this is not enough. Okay guys, so before I started my hair, I used these 2. There's an Eco Styling leave-in conditioner, and then I used this Soft Tea Argan Oil hair cream. So I've already applied these 2 on my hair just to soften my hair a bit and just to keep in some moisture. So now I'm going to be using this white tooth comb to just comb out my hair. Just going to be doing it very gently because my hair is natural. So now I'm going to zoom into my hair. I'm going to start from the front just to show you how I twist the hair. Okay, so before I cut my hair to start braiding, I'm just going to open up this long hair. So this is what it looks like. I love the texture of this hair, and it's already like pre-stretched. So I just took out the rubber, and I'm gonna be using this much hair. Like I said, I want my braids to be a bit big. So what I do, if I want this to be longer, all I do is I open it up like this, and then make one part, pull one part to be a bit longer. So now it's longer. Can you guys see that? So as you can see, it's longer now. And what I'm gonna do to start braiding is I'm gonna separate this into 2. One part is going to be smaller than the other part. As you can see, this part is smaller than this part, and I just cross them over like this. Then I grip it like so, and then I put my index finger in here, if that makes sense. But yeah, it makes sense to me, but let me just show you close up. So it's, you hold with this, then the index finger goes in there. So you're holding like this, and then the index finger goes at the back. Let me part the hair now. I'm just gonna part this much because like I said, I want it to be big, so this much is gonna be good for what I'm trying to achieve. So do you guys see how much hair I took? Yeah. So I'm just going to do the same thing I just showed you on camera, and then grip the hair like so. And you have to divide the hair into 2. Grip the hair, the left part of the hair, the left or right. This part, the one closer to your face with the hair, and then since you're holding it like this, I know this is a long process guys, but I just need you guys to know what I'm doing. So since you're holding it like this and then like this, so this part will be on the second part of the hair, and then just watch what I do. So this part is in the middle, and then you grab the other hair like this. I hope this is clear enough. And then hold like this, and then there's a trick I do. I bring this all the way that way, and then this hair comes on top of it. I hope that made sense guys. I'm so sorry. I'm probably going to show you a close-up view of what I just did. Bring this all the way that way, and then this hair comes on top of it. So I just braid it like so, and then I think after 2 braids I then take this middle one, divide it into 2, and then start twisting. So how I twist is I twist the opposite way, like this way, this way, this way, and then this way. So I'm twisting as I go. Be careful guys, because if you're twisting it very well, it's going to get very tight here. Okay, so at the end of it, this is what I do. This too. So you just divide one part of that hair into 3 and then start braiding like regular. So it locks the twists. So that's basically the end of it. And so there's another one. I'm just gonna make this a bit bigger. So back again, I'm just gonna take what I feel would be enough. I think this should be good. And then I just divide it into 2 equal parts. Make one a bit longer. So now it's longer. Well, now it's, yeah, they're longer. And then to start braiding the hair, I'm just gonna divide this, take into 2 parts. The second part is smaller. This part is smaller than this one. So I just do this, cross them over, and then start braiding the hair. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to divide this hair into 2. 1, 2. And then hold this one, take this other hair that's hanging here, and then let go of this one that's going to be in the middle.
What we do here is go back.
And then I bring my hand over here, and then I divide this into 2, and then I start twisting. Oops. Okay guys, so I just finished doing those 2, and this is what they look like close up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to set the timer or stopwatch basically. Should I do stopwatch? I think stopwatch would be better. So I'm just going to start my stopwatch now, and then go off camera, do the whole of my head, and then come back and let you guys know how many hours it took for me to complete this whole hair. So time starts now. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm done now, and it has approximately taken about 3 hours for me to be done with the hair. As you can see, I'm just going to stop the timer now. Focus please. Yeah, so I'm just going to stop the timer now, and yeah, it's 2 hours and 59 minutes, almost 3 hours. So what I'm gonna do now is to boil some water. Oop, focus. So what I'm gonna do now is to boil some water and dip the hair. And so now I have my hot water, and basically I have a towel right here that is on my lap, just so I don't get burned. So I divide my hair into two, and first I'll take the first half of my hair and just dip it in the water like so. Be careful, guys, don't try this at home if you know you're not a professional. Please, guys, this actually burns, even the steam burns. So what I do next is just take the towel doubled and then put it at the back, and then do this, and just go up and down on the hair, and then you drop it down on the floor. Ooh. Okay, and then just wrap the towel on the hair and pull to straighten. No pain, no gain. So afterwards I take the whole hair to one side. It could be this side or this side, it doesn't matter really, and then put the whole thing in. Part of my hair hurts a bit, so what I like to do is just take the side of the towel, wrap it up like this into like a, I don't know what to call this, but just like this basically. Dip it in the hot water. And then just tap on it. Ooh. That would hurt a bit, but just tap on it. It relieves the pain on the hair. When you're done pressing that, you also take some more and then just rub it on the part that the water didn't touch. And then this is how I like to apply it. Just put it on top of the hair. And this feels so good. Oh. And I just take it bit by bit and then just spread it around the hair. Normally after you're done doing your twists or braids, you have to trim, and then if you're, you know, like I said, if you're a professional, if you've been doing this for a while, then you can use the fire to like burn the excess, and then you're good. I take my olive oil spray, Sheen spray, and then just spray the hair. So I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Oop. Look.